Now the hopeful half of the story. For all its laundering risk, crypto is a remarkably hostile place to hide large sums. Here's why. Here's the elegant irony. A network might spread stolen funds across 200 wallets to look unconnected. But to spend it, they have to gather it. And the moment they sweep all 200 into one transaction, they prove one entity controlled them all along. Investigators cluster scattered addresses back to single owners, follow tainted coins from crime to cash out, read the rhythm of transactions, and finally attach real names to addresses. And the levers are powerful. To get real cash, criminals must use a regulated exchange that knows who they are. Stablecoin issuers can freeze funds on request. Sanctions strand laundered value. And borderless crime is met with international cooperation. Sophisticated actors can still launder large sums. But the long arc is clear. The permanence of the blockchain means laundering leaves an indelible record. Patient investigation catches up with the money, sometimes years later. Crypto is far less anonymous than criminals assume. Next, we catalog the actual attacks that generate all this dirty money and how each one is caught. Subscribe.